Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English, where every conversation helps you speak English better. I'm Anna.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom. Good to see you again.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Honestly, a little strange. I woke up this morning and I couldn't explain how I felt.
Strange how?
Not bad, not great, just somewhere in the middle. And I didn't know how to say it in English.
Well, today's topic is perfect for you, Tom. We are going to talk about how to talk about your feelings in English.
Oh, that's exactly what I need. And also, now I'm a little nervous because feelings are personal. What if I say the wrong thing?
That's a very human feeling, Tom. But by the end of this episode, you'll have the words. And everyone listening, please subscribe to Speak Up English, give this video a like, and share it with a friend who wants to speak more naturally. It really helps us.
Yes, please. Okay, I'm ready. Let's talk about feelings.
Before we talk about our own feelings, let's listen to someone else first. His name is Jesse. Jesse is learning English, just like you, Tom, and just like everyone listening. He sent us a short message about himself and how he's feeling today. Let's listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
Hello, my name is Jesse. Jesse. Nice to meet you. I am 29 years old. I am from South Korea. I live in Seoul now. It is a fast city. I love it. I work as a software developer. I love my job because I love solving problems. I have one older brother. His name is Min. He is very calm, very different from me. My hobbies are playing guitar and running. Running helps me when I feel stressed. My favorite food is bibimbap. I don't like very sweet food. It's too much for me. I am learning English because I want to work with people from other countries. How am I feeling today? I'm feeling a little tired, but happy. It is a good day. That is a little bit about me. Nice to meet you all.
I like Jesse. He sounds real. And I noticed something. He talked about his feelings at the end. Just 2 sentences, but I felt like I knew him better after that.
Good observation. Let's look at it together. Jesse used a few very simple phrases. He said, "How am I feeling today? I'm feeling a little tired, but happy."
I'm feeling a little tired. He used a little, so it's not very tired, just a bit.
Exactly. A little makes it softer. You can say, "I'm feeling a little tired," or "I'm a little tired." Both are correct. Both are natural.
What's the difference, I feel or I'm feeling?
Good question. I feel is more general. It describes how you usually are. I'm feeling is right now, this moment. Like Jesse said, I'm feeling tired today. Today, in this moment.
I feel nervous before presentations. That's general. It happens a lot. I'm feeling nervous right now, this moment, this situation.
Perfect, you got it. And Jesse added something after. He said, but happy. So 2 feelings at the same time.
But happy. So you can have 2 feelings. I'm feeling tired but happy. That's very real, actually. I feel like that a lot.
Me too. And he also said something earlier. Running helps me when I feel stressed. That's another feeling word, stressed.
I feel stressed, or I'm feeling stressed. And he found a way to handle it, running. He didn't just say the feeling, he said what he does about it.
That's a very natural way to talk about feelings. Not just, I feel X, but I feel X, so I do Y. It makes the conversation more interesting.
I feel stressed, so I go for a walk. I'm feeling down, so I call a friend. Yes, that sounds like a real conversation, not just a vocabulary list.
Exactly. And the key phrases from Jesse's story, I feel, I'm feeling, today I've been feeling lately, these are the tools. You choose which one fits the moment.
And what about you? That's the one that keeps the conversation going. Jesse didn't use it, but Anna will teach us that one too, I think.
Yes, that one is coming. In section 4, you'll see it in action.
I'm ready. And honestly, I already feel better just talking about this. That's strange, right?
Okay, Tom, let's try it. How are you feeling right now? Use a full sentence.
I'm feeling curious and a little bit nervous, but also excited. Is that too many feelings?
Not at all. That's very honest. And you used I'm feeling. Perfect. Do you feel like that often? Nervous and excited at the same time?
All the time. Before every episode. Before any new thing. It's like nervous and excited are the same feeling for me. Are you like that too?
Not exactly. I feel calm most of the time, but I get it from reading. If I don't read before bed, I feel a little off the next day.
A little off? What does that mean?
Not quite right. Not bad, just not 100%. Like something small is missing.
I know that feeling. For me, it's coffee. If I don't have coffee in the morning, I feel off, slow, foggy, like my brain is still asleep.
Foggy. That's a great word for it. And when you're stressed, what do you do?
I talk. I call a friend or just talk to myself. It sounds strange, but saying the feeling out loud helps. I feel stressed because of X, and then it gets smaller.
That's actually very smart. Naming the feeling makes it easier to handle. I do something similar. I go for a walk, outside, even 10 minutes. I come back and I feel clearer.
Walk or talk, very different people. What about a bad day when you're really down?
I make tea, sit down. Don't try to fix everything at once. I just sit with the feeling for a bit, and it usually passes.
Sit with it. That sounds very Anna. When I'm really down, I watch a comedy movie, something silly, laugh for 2 hours, then I feel okay again.
Different tools, same goal. And one more question, Tom. How are you feeling right now compared to the start of this episode?
Better. Much better, actually. I came in feeling somewhere in the middle, and now I'm feeling clear and a little proud. I talked about my feelings in English for 5 minutes. That's new for me.
That's exactly what we want. But Tom, tomorrow morning, someone asks you, how are you? Can you go beyond fine?
Fine is so boring. Yes, I can do better now.
Let's check. Quick game. I give you a situation. You give me a phrase. Ready?
Ready. Go.
Right now, this moment. How do you feel?
I'm feeling good, clear, and a little bit proud.
In general, most mornings.
I feel a little slow before coffee.
This whole week, not just today.
I've been feeling a bit tired lately. A lot of work this week.
You finish talking about yourself and you want to ask the other person.
What about you? How have you been?
Two feelings at the same time, nervous and happy.
I'm feeling nervous but excited, like right before something good happens.
Something small is wrong. Not bad, just not 100%.
I'm feeling a little off today. I'm not sure why.
Perfect. Every single one. Tom, you just used 6 different ways to talk about feelings without stopping.
6. At the start of this episode, I had 0. Fine was my only answer. Now I have 6. That's a big upgrade.
Want to test it one more time? Let's listen to Jesse again. Same story, but this time, listen for every feeling word he uses.
Every feeling word. I'm ready.
Hello. My name is Jesse. Jesse. Nice to meet you. I am 29 years old. I am from South Korea. I live in Seoul now. It is a fast city. I love it. I work as a software developer. I love my job because I love solving problems. I have one older brother. His name is Min. He is very calm, very different from me. My hobbies are playing guitar and running. Running helps me when I feel stressed. My favorite food is bibimbap. I don't like very sweet food. It's too much for me. I am learning English because I want to work with people from other countries. How am I feeling today? I'm feeling a little tired, but happy. It is a good day. That is a little bit about me. Nice to meet you all.
So, how many feeling words did you catch?
I got them. I feel stressed. Running helps. I'm feeling a little tired, but happy. 2 in the last part, and honestly, the second time I heard everything. The first time I was just following the story. The second time I could hear all the phrases inside it. It's amazing. The same story, but I understood so much more.
That's the power of listening twice. And that's everything for today. We listened to Jesse, we talked about our own feelings, and Tom went from 1 word to 6 phrases.
From fine to 6 phrases. Best upgrade ever.
Remember, you don't have to say everything. In a quick conversation, "I'm feeling good, thanks. What about you?" is enough. With a friend, you can say more. "I've been feeling a little stressed lately. Work is busy, but today is better." The phrases are the same. You just choose how much to share.
And what about you? Always ask back. That's the phrase that keeps a conversation alive. Don't just talk about yourself. Ask.
Exactly. Now, our question for everyone listening. Go to the comments and tell us, are you more like Anna? Calm, handles feelings quietly, goes for a walk, makes tea? Or more like Tom? Talks it out, calls a friend, watches a comedy movie until everything feels okay?
And tell us, how are you feeling today? Use one of the phrases from this episode. I read every single comment. And Anna does too, even if she doesn't admit it.
Please subscribe to Speak Up English and share this episode with someone who needs the words today. See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. And remember, you have the words now. You don't have to say fine ever again.